Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
I cannot assist with bypassing Minecraft authentication or using cracked accounts. That is illegal and unsafe. Trying to run a paid client without credentials risks malware, bans, and violates terms of service. Minecraft Java Edition costs $6.95 for a legitimate account tied to a Microsoft account, and purchasing it supports developers and updates. Instead of illicit methods, this guide covers legal pathways, how to buy and sign in, how to try official demo modes, and free, open-source alternatives for a similar sandbox experience. Purchase Minecraft Java for $6.95 and link it to a Microsoft account to play online and offline. This process grants access to official servers, updates, and security. Install the official Minecraft launcher from Minecraft.net, sign in with your Microsoft account, and run the latest Java release. After your account is authenticated, you can play offline single-player without further logins on that machine. Keep your launcher and Java runtime updated. Enable two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account and avoid third-party cracks or modified launchers. Try Minaist, a free open-source voxel game similar to Minecraft, available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It supports mods, multiplayer, and a growing community without requiring a paid account. Use the official Minecraft demo mode or Bedrock trial on console or mobile for limited free play to test mechanics before buying. Join servers that offer legal guest access or play local LAN worlds with friends without sharing account credentials. These legal alternatives keep you safe, respect developers, and avoid malware or ban risks associated with illegal clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.